Hey everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. If you want to know how to change GitHub status emoji, you've come to the right place. My name is Nick, and now I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Now I'm on the GitHub homepage, and here you need to click on your profile icon at the top right. Just below your username, you can see the set status option right here. Let's click on it. And after that, this window will appear, Edit Status. Here you can select the necessary emoji right here, just by clicking on the emoji button, and select the necessary emoji if you want. For example, let's select this emoji, and right here you can describe this emoji, you can describe your feelings, you can just type here anything that you want. Or you can use default emojis on vacation, out sick, or another one. Also here you can check the busy checkbox. When others mention you, GitHub will let them know that you have limited availability. And of course you can clear status in 1 hour, in 30 minutes, and so on. And after that, just click on the set status button at the very bottom. Okay, and if I open my profile, I'll see this emoji right here. So this is how you can easily change your GitHub status emoji. If this video was helpful, subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.